Hello planning masters and welcome back to the channel. Today is a great day because I finally get to unbox September Archer & Olive subscription box. I hope you're as excited as I am to take a look inside. So let's just get to it. So I decided that this time I'll keep the same format I did in my previous unboxing, because you seem to really enjoy my crazy faces when I'm actually looking at the items inside. And with this box, I received it on time. That would be significantly earlier than any sneak peeks are allowed. So at this moment, I have no idea what's inside. I haven't heard or seen anything. And yes, let me take this moment to also mention that I am, as of now, a part of our Archer & design team. So I actually did receive this box free of charge. I can't wait any longer, so let's just dive in. First of all, I want to mention that this box is dark blue, beautiful color, not teal like the previous ones. And this one kind of looks smaller than the previous box, which was in June. But you know what they say, all the best things come in small packaging. So I just can't wait to take a look inside. You guys. Okay. I won't keep a suspense. Let's just dive right into it. And here's the first item I saw. It's navy blue and teal. And those are, look at these cuties. Okay, so this is a pen holder. Probably gonna be perfect for acrylograph pens. Okay, to the next item. So, wow, this is incredible. So I have this envelope here with a card inside, and it has this incredibly beautiful white seal. Let's take a look inside. To the next one, and I must say that some of the items are open, but that's simply because of the customs here in Bolivia. They have to open the box and take a look inside. Okay, so this is something in the box. This is a really cute box. I really love the design and the gold details here. And well, obviously that is a notebook. Super cute. For comparison understanding of the size, I thought I'll take an A5 journal, and this is how tiny those little cuties are. Let's also include a B6 one here. So here we go. A5, B6, and this new size, which I think is called the pocket size. Okay, to the next one, and I see a very, very cute box. So it says weekly calendar sticker rolls. OMG. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, I know I said that these blocks look smaller than the previous ones, but it's really so packed of things. We have here 2 more journals. So this is a craft one and this is a blackout, and we already had the tiny white one. Okay, I see the next item. I already read what it is, and oh my god, it's blowing my mind right now, and I'm sure it will blow yours as well. Here we go. Calligraphy brush pens. to the next one, which seems to be my catchphrase for this video. Okay. Adhesive pockets. Ooh, that's really useful. And I love the colors. Just check these out. So cute. Next one is, oh, it's so cute. It's a sticker book and it has like all those functional stickers. Let's take a look closer. Every page. Okay, so I think there is just one item left. And these are some coloring pages. Such a clever idea with the pens to include coloring pages as well. And they are beautiful. Okay, so that was the September box and I'm obsessed. Honestly, every new box becomes my favorite. I can't wait to use all of these goodies and I'm just so excited that I can finally share this video with you because I've been sitting on it for a while. If you want to get yours, be sure to check the link in the description and there might be a discount code there as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!